This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the SteelSeries Apex 3 TKL gaming keyboard. This compact keyboard is designed for gamers who prioritize desk space and quiet operation. It features SteelSeries Whisper Quiet switches, ensuring a silent gaming experience. Plus, with its IP32 water and dust resistance, you can game with peace of mind. The vibrant 8-zone RGB lighting adds a personalized touch to your setup, making it both functional and stylish. When it comes to gaming, the Apex 3 TKL truly shines. Its anti-ghosting technology means every command registers precisely, even during the most frantic moments. The tenkeyless design gives you ample space for wide mouse sweeps, crucial for competitive play. You'll also appreciate the dedicated multimedia controls, letting you adjust volume and playback without interrupting your game. And for those extended sessions, the included magnetic wrist rest provides excellent comfort. Durability is a key aspect of the Apex 3 TKL. With an IP32 water and dust resistance rating, accidental spills or dust accumulation are less of a concern, helping to prolong its life. The overall build quality feels solid and reliable, ready to endure countless hours of gaming. Its compact tenkeyless form factor is not only practical for desk space, but also makes it easy to transport. The sleek design also ensures it looks great in any setup. So, is the SteelSeries Apex 3 TKL worth it? For many gamers, absolutely. It strikes a fantastic balance between essential gaming features, durability, and a budget-friendly price. If you're looking for a quiet, spill-resistant, and compact keyboard that performs reliably, this is a strong contender. It's particularly well-suited for those who prefer membrane switches and value extra desk space. Overall, it offers significant value for its cost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.